Welcome back to Wave React, everybody.
Yep, today I'm going to show Zach an album he's never heard before, has no idea the genre, anything.
Yep, so just to give you all a quick rundown of how the show works, one of us picks an album that we love and shows it to the other who has never heard it before. They can guess if they want to during the listen, and then we reveal the artist and the album at the end. So without further ado, let's go.
Here we go.
Hey. Great mix. Ooh. Is this Kid Cudi?
I could see him using this.
Feels like a trap beat in the best way.
Yeah.
Ooh. This is dope. So happy.
Yep.
Sick.
So, little spoiler, it's an instrumental album, so.
I had a feeling.
So I chose this because you love instrumental music, and yeah, I think you dig the production on this. So.
Cool. Yeah, I already dig the production a lot. That yeah,
had a nice bump to it.
Yep. Great
and
drums.
I didn't really pick up on the trap, but yeah, I don't know what genre to actually place them, other than they're instrumental and electronic, I guess, in ways.
That one just had a bounce like a trap beat, and then it had those like really like rolled hi-hats and kind of all the elements that you would find in like a hip hop trap beat, but then so many other sounds too, and the mix was amazing. Like the sample catalog of this artist they got good samples.
Yeah. All right, to the next one. So that one was called You Picked Off All the Polish. This one's Over and Over.
Oh.
I love that little.
I love the 4 notes they're hitting in the background. No. This is some heat.
Yeah, this reminds me a little bit of Adam Young and some of the instrument choices here.
Such a clean production.
Yep.
This almost reminds me of like weird reference here, but it almost reminds me of Marshmello. If you've ever heard of him,
I could do that. It's not
so much like his EDM solo stuff, but when he features with other artists, it kind of has his vibe.
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't really classify it. It's really cool though. Dope. Super dope.
Yep. This is, again, some more music that I like to work to. It's got good energy. I can focus to it.
That song was epic. That's like when I'd listen to, like, to wake up in the morning or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just there's these 4 notes that go on. I kind of like towards the chorus or like a high dynamic part of the song, and just makes you want to be like, let's get it done.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all these got good energy.
Mm-hmm.
This is worth the wait. favorite part.
Ooh. That is epic. Oh, man. Dope.
I'll change up. This would make for like the perfect soundtrack to a beach vlog. Oh yeah, I can
Go
see
to
that.
San Diego with the fam, get the
Mhm.
drone out. In the best way. I don't mean
Yeah.
that as an insult. This
Yeah,
is
no.
dope.
Just good vibes.
Super good vibes.
See, I feel like this part's like chaotic a little bit,
Yeah.
but somehow they make it work with everything.
It's
on top
meant
of
to sound glitchy.
it. Right.
I like it.
So that was worth the wait, which is actually like weight, not like weight.
Oh,
Not like
interesting.
time weight. It's like
Okay.
gravity weight. So little play
Yeah.
on words.
What are we 3 songs through? 4?
Yeah. 3.
3? Yeah. I don't know. I listen to a lot of electronic music and a lot of instrumental stuff, and I don't know, man. These songs are just like glue. Like every part is just perfect. Like there'll be a little push into a drum part or a subtle pan here. Like I'm excited to find out who this is because I really like this.
I thought you would.
Really, really, really like this one.
All right, now we're going to the Neverland.
As someone who started off as a drummer, I love little variations on drums. Ooh. That's epic. What is that? That's like a vocal sample.
Yeah, they sneak little vocal samples in, which I like.
Hear those Phil Collins toms?
Yeah. Didn't pick up on that till you said that. Nice. I drive to this a lot too. And I might rap to it.
I have it recorded. Is it one person?
It's two.
Two. Ooh, that was cool. This almost reminds me. Dope.
I feel like they do a good job of switching it up to keep it interesting.
Yep. I would agree. Yeah, that main synthesizer in that song definitely was something different.
Yeah. All right, the next one is You See a Wall, I See a Window. I feel like all those are vocals too, just pitched. And
I was just about to comment on that and say that this song doesn't have much of a melody. I think it's the vocal samples of the shine. Arpeggiator in the back. Very much feel good music.
Yep.
And it's cool actually now this time around there's the vocals, but there's that guitar.
Yeah.
Dope. I'd say that was one of my lesser favorite so far, but still really cool.
Awesome. Speaking of like feel good, this next one's called "Can You Feel the Sunshine?" Can you?
That was unexpected.
Mm-hmm.
Cool instrument. Dope. It's weird because in like this year I have this synthesizer that's like sounds like it's out of Star Wars, and then I got a little Tweety bird kind of thing going on here.
Yeah, I hear that. Yeah.
It works.
Bird.
I've noticed they put their risers real low in the back too. That's cool. I like that.
Subtle. They're using instruments for that part. You like the vocals in it? I like subtle vocals. Like, I mean, that wasn't subtle. It was throughout the whole track, but I like a little bit of vocal like that just to make stuff unique.
Totally. Yeah, no, I love vocal samples. I didn't always, I guess. I used to be just like all about instruments, but I mean, sampling and vocal chops and stuff like that is an instrument in itself. It's not easy to do that. I mean, and that's what I would say of all the songs and everything you've shown me so far on this record. I think what impresses me the most is that they use so many little things. Like if I were to listen to this in my car versus headphones, like there's so many things that I barely even catch with headphones that the regular listener probably wouldn't catch, but that's very meticulous work as a producer or producer group to not only find those sounds but make them work, and so major respect to them for that. And yeah, I loved the vocal sample in that song. I thought it made it.
Awesome. Yeah, and that little Tweety bird.
Yeah. Seriously, go back and listen to that part. It is Star Wars or Stranger Things and frickin' Tweety Bird and some banger drums in the middle.
All right, this next one is More Than Meets the Mind.
11 drums just start with the snare. I feel like this goes back to what you said a few songs ago. It sounds chaotic on purpose.
Yeah.
Epic. Oh. Bro.
It's ethereal.
Ooh. That's ridiculous.
So I guess you like it.
Yeah. This is my favorite song so far.
It's dope. A little guitar pluck.
Me too. I'm a big sucker for just guitar chords too. This song has all the elements of a banger electronic song. That's such a dope drum fill.
Like that little.
I don't even know how to classify this group.
Same. Nice fade out. So you digging them?
Very much.
Awesome. This next one is Future Beginning.
Hey. Hmm. This one definitely feels like it has space for vocals.
Yep. Yeah, the way it drops down for like a verse.
You are gonna watch the Wave React.
Wave Wednesdays with the Wave React. With the Wave React.
It's for the Patreons. We'll auto-tune it.
Yeah.
Going back to trying to classify this group, I just keep trying to think of where would you see them live? Like
Yeah.
EDM festival? I don't know.
I don't think so. Because they're chiller.
Yeah.
Which is interesting because they're chill, but they do have a good bounce. But they're not.
No, they got the bounce.
Yeah.
Killer. I wonder where you'd find them live or something like that. I could see this group being huge online, like TikTok dances and stuff like that, because they got the bounce down.
For sure.
Super cool.
All right, so this is the last track. The final track called Slow Pitch.
The vocals are so angelic.
Mm-hmm. Ethereal.
Sick.
Like the panning of that.
Mm-hmm. It's climbing up our stereo field.
Yep.
I love when they throw it back to this.
Mm-hmm.
Bring it back. Nope, not yet.
Not yet.
Tricked me. Interesting sound on the drums here too, because they sound like they're really cut. Like all the low frequencies, the bass drum and everything's real subdued
Okay.
to let everything else kind of shine.
Right, yeah. Yeah, I can hear that now.
I'm not even gonna say who this group reminds me of, because I think they deserve to. They're in their own lane.
Awesome.
This album's super unique. I think these types of drums that we've heard on this album, that's one of the things that made me become a producer. I wanted to learn how to do that. So to hear it used so creatively is really, really cool.
Awesome. Yeah, I thought you might get inspired by some of this. Contemplative.
There once was a boy, and now his story has ended. Close the chapter. Nah, man, that was super cool.
So that was Utah, the name of them. And this was actually the sounds. This sounds like Utah.
Interesting.
The name of the album. Yeah. So I've dug them quite a bit. They tend to release like smaller releases. So some of these songs I had heard like singles, and got into them that way. But
cool.
I like the instrumental nature. I thought you would dig that.
What year did this album come out?
So this one came out in 2022.
Nice.
Yeah.
Super cool. Yeah, no, that was super awesome. It never ceases to amaze me how you find such unique, I don't know, just...
Spotify recommends.
Yeah, that was really, really awesome. Cool to know that music like that exists in 2022, because if you haven't checked out Utah and you like electronic music in any form, whether it's instrumental or not, give that album a listen, because I would definitely recommend it, and I will definitely be checking that out.
Sweet.
So, yep.
Sweet. So it says here that it's hip-hop driven,
Okay.
melodic experience.
I think it's more than that. I think it's, I mean, yes, but very much feels like soundscapes. I don't know. Like that was a very unique listen, and having a name like Utah fits. I mean, it's just
It's a little different, yeah.
Yeah,
when
it
I first
works.
saw the name, I'm like, what's this gonna be?
yeah, no, it's cool. Yep, another banger from
Awesome.
from Ryan. So yeah, really, really enjoyed that. Thank you for showing me that.
Ain't no problem. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next Wave React.
Peace.